Welcome to this comprehensive guide on hash functions and their critical role in blockchain technology. Hash functions are the cryptographic backbone that makes blockchain secure and trustworthy. In this video, we'll explore what hash functions are, how SHA-256 works, and why it's essential for protecting blockchain data. By the end, you'll understand how one-way encryption creates an immutable and tamper-proof distributed ledger. A hash function is a mathematical algorithm that takes any input data, regardless of its size, and converts it into a fixed-size string of characters called a hash or digest. Think of it like a digital fingerprint for data. Just as your fingerprint uniquely identifies you and cannot be reversed back into your DNA, a hash uniquely identifies data and cannot be reversed back to the original input. The hash is always the same length, whether you're hashing a single word or an entire book. This consistency and uniqueness make hash functions incredibly powerful for data verification. Hash functions have four essential properties that make them suitable for blockchain. First, they are deterministic, meaning the same input will always produce the exact same hash output. Second, they produce a fixed size output regardless of input length. Third, they are one-way functions, making it computationally impossible to reverse the hash back to the original data. Fourth, they exhibit the avalanche effect, where even the tiniest change to the input produces a completely different hash. These properties work together to create a secure and reliable cryptographic tool. The avalanche effect is one of the most fascinating properties of hash functions. Let's see it in action. When we hash the word hello with a capital H, we get a specific 64-character hexadecimal hash. Now, if we change just one character, making the H lowercase to spell hello, the resulting hash is completely different. Not a single character matches between the two hashes. This dramatic change from modifying just one bit of input is what we call the avalanche effect. It ensures that any tampering with data, no matter how small, becomes immediately detectable. SHA-256 stands for Secure Hash Algorithm 256-bit. It's a cryptographic hash function that produces a unique 256-bit hash value, which is displayed as 64 hexadecimal characters. SHA-256 was developed by the National Security Agency in 2001 as part of the SHA-2 family of algorithms. It has become the industry standard for cryptographic security and is considered computationally secure against all known attacks. Bitcoin and many other blockchains rely on SHA-256 as their primary hashing algorithm. SHA-256 processes data through four main steps. First, the input is padded to ensure its length is a multiple of 512 bits. Second, this padded data is broken into 512-bit blocks. Third, each block goes through a compression function consisting of 64 rounds of complex mathematical operations involving bitwise operations, modular addition, and logical functions. Finally, after all blocks are processed, the algorithm outputs a 256-bit hash value in hexadecimal format. This multi-step process, with numerous rounds of computation, makes the algorithm extremely secure and virtually impossible to reverse. SHA-256 serves three critical functions in blockchain technology. First, it creates unique block identifiers by hashing the entire block content, linking blocks together in a chain. Second, it powers the mining process in proof-of-work blockchains, where miners must find a hash that meets specific difficulty requirements. Third, it ensures data integrity by making any modification to transaction data immediately detectable. Without SHA-256, blockchain would lose its fundamental security properties, making it vulnerable to tampering and fraud. Let's examine how hashing connects blocks in a blockchain. Each block contains three essential hash-related components. The previous hash field stores the hash of the preceding block, creating the link in the chain. The transaction data field contains all the information about transactions in that block. The current hash is computed by hashing together the previous hash, transaction data, timestamp, and nonce. When block n is created with its unique hash, that hash becomes the previous hash for block n plus 1. This creates an unbreakable chain where each block cryptographically depends on all blocks before it. Hashing creates blockchain's most important property, immutability. If anyone tries to change even a single character in a past block's transaction data, that block's hash changes completely due to the avalanche effect. Since the next block stores the original hash as its previous hash field, there's now a mismatch. This mismatch propagates through all subsequent blocks, invalidating the entire chain from that point forward. Every node in the network can instantly detect this tampering because the chain no longer validates. This makes blockchain tamper-proof, as any attempt to alter historical data becomes immediately visible across the entire network. SHA-256 is considered cryptographically secure for four main reasons. First, it has collision resistance, meaning finding two different inputs that produce the same hash is computationally infeasible with 2 to the power of 256 possible hash values. Second, it has pre-image resistance, making it impossible to reverse engineer the original input from a hash output because it's a true one-way function. Third, brute force attacks are impossible, as testing all 10 to the power of 77 combinations would take billions of years even with the most powerful supercomputers. Fourth, despite decades of scrutiny by cryptographers worldwide, no practical vulnerabilities have been discovered, making it the trusted industry standard for blockchain security.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.